Hey Posture Nation, Dr. Mark here. I wanted to make this quick video to give you a sneak peek inside the new Advanced Vibration Therapy course. This course is absolutely fundamental if you plan on using vibration therapy. With vibration therapy, you can get up to 4 times faster results, and there's more than 7 different categories of reasons why to use vibration therapy. But what I want to do is actually just show you inside the course so you know what to expect, you know what you're going to get, and you can see how it's going to be run before you actually enroll into the course. So the first thing we need to discuss is when you go to enroll, you're going to be redirected to the actual sales page. After you pay for the course, you're then going to be sent to the registration page, which is going to look like this. You need to make sure that you fill out this registration, okay? A lot of times after people enroll, they just close down their web browser and they actually miss the registration page. But you want to make sure you've actually registered, so when you get redirected, you want to just fill this out. If you're currently a CPE, a Certified Posture Expert, or you've done any of our other advanced courses, you can just select I have an existing account. After you do that, you create your username, password, and then you can automatically log in, and you're going to be sent right here to My Posture Courses, which is where your Advanced Vibration Therapy course is going to show up. So right here you can see Advanced Vibration Therapy. You just click on that and it's going to have the modules with each of the units. So just real quick, what's inside the Advanced Vibration Therapy course? What are you going to learn? So of course, we're going to go through an introduction. We're going to make sure you understand the fundamentals of what ideal posture is. We're going to then start to cover what is whole body vibration. Like, what is it used for? What's the functional benefits of vibration therapy? Like what actually happens when we use vibration therapy? We're going to go through how vibration therapy is actually a healthy aging strategy. And since a majority of the population is quickly moving into that baby boomers age range, and we're going to be having more at each year as that follows, this is going to be a very important strategy for your patients. We're then going to cover the anatomical side of this. So we go into Module 2, which is the effects of vibration therapy on the posture system. So anatomic whole body vibration effects. We're going to then go through muscle tuning, which is actually how vibration therapy affects the muscles. Endocrine effects of the whole body vibration. Whole body vibration is used for more than just exercise, and it's used more than just helping with back pain. There's actually some really fundamental things that whole body vibration can do. We're going to go through how it affects the geriatric patients, how you can do this with posture and for scoliotic patients, and then we're going to go through the posture systems, posture quadrant 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're going to go through exactly what to be focusing on, how to look at each of those quadrants, and how the vibration therapy is going to affect them and benefit it. Then we get into Module 3, which is more of our analysis, an examination module. So we're going to cover the contraindications of vibration therapy. Where is the areas that you want to play it safe? Vibration analysis and clinical questions. What questions you need to ask yourself and ask the patients to determine what classification they're in. And then we're going to go through the 6 different classifications. How do you analyze it? And then how do you actually implement the protocol to benefit and get results? Some of these classifications, instant results with your patients. So of course we've got classification 1, which is going to be balance reset. One of the number 1 problems with the elderly population, the number 1 reason for hospital visits is due to a fall, and we can help that by fixing their balance, and vibration therapy is probably the number 1 tool to benefit the elderly, anybody for that matter, with balance. We're going to go through muscle specific, and that's where we get into performance. So you got your athletes. We got rehabilitation. These are for people that have maybe just come off a knee surgery or a shoulder surgery. And then you're going to also have muscular. So for people that are trying to improve endurance and athleticism. Classification 3, we're going to get into postural correction. So for us, this is our bread and butter. We use this every day with patients. So we're going to go over how to analyze and then how to implement specific protocols for specific postural distortion problems. And then osteoporosis prevention. This is huge. This is one of the biggest things that's coming out right now about vibration therapy, is its benefits in helping people prevent or at least prevent osteoporosis by improving bone density. So this is absolutely incredible. And then the big one you see in all of the gyms right now is weight loss. It's been shown that vibration therapy can give a better workout. You can burn more calories and get more effects from a 20 to 20 minute vibration therapy session than a 60-minute typical exercise routine. So this one's going to be good. Therapeutic, we're going to go into some specifics of the therapeutic. Also, I forgot to mention neurologic. We're going to cover some of the neurologic areas to test and how to correct it. So that's going to be really cool. Then we're going to go through some case presentations and show you specifically patients that have came in, what we found, how we've corrected it, and so you can actually see this in action. Then we're going to cover the different types of whole body plates. So this is important because there are hundreds of the lower end vibration plates, and there are 10 to 15 of the high-end vibration plates. We're going to show you what are the differences, what are the top ones, and how you can select and choose one with confidence and you know what's right for you. So also what to look for in vibration plates. Whole body vibration plate reviews, and then we're actually going to cover handheld vibration massage. That's also going to be in the therapeutic and the muscle specific classifications, as there's whole body vibration and then there's handheld specific vibration. This is really important, especially if you are working with neurologic issues or if you have therapeutic issues such as trigger points or muscle pain. We're going to show you the different types of handheld vibration machines as well, and then how to use this. We get into Module 4, and this is actually the application. This is where we're going to show you how to put this knowledge into use. So we go through each of those classifications, and we show you the clinical protocols with these. Balance, reset, muscle specific, get into the rehabilitation, the performance, flexibility. We got postural correction, osteoporosis, weight loss, and therapeutic. And so we go through and we show you several different ways that you can apply these protocols with your patients and give you not just these specific protocols that you have to do A, B, and C or it doesn't work, but we're going to give you the principles of it so you can apply it in a way that works best for you regardless of your situation. And also up here, we're actually going to show you how you can implement this into your practice regardless of what kind of practice you have. Maybe you don't even have a vibration therapy machine in your clinic or in your office. Not a problem. Most of your patients who have gym memberships have a vibe plate, have a vibration therapy machine at their gym. So we're going to show you the different ways that you can implement this and still be effective. So let's take a look real quick at some of the insides of this so you can see how it's going to work and what it's going to look like when you actually get in and start watching it. So when you get inside of the actual course, it's going to be laid out like this. This is a completely 100% online video course. You'll be able to learn all of this from the comfort of your home or office on your laptop or computer. So you can see here, this is going to show us we can progress through the course right here. We can navigate through it here. It's got modules 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these are already green because I've already gone through this course. But what will happen is when you actually start this course, every one of these will be white, so you haven't actually progressed through. As you move through this course, they'll change to green and you'll be able to move forward. When you finish one of the sections, you just come down and you're going to select Mark as completed and then progress to the new unit. So it's really simple, really easy to navigate through this course. It's very simple. And we make it easy like that because what's most important is not how you get through the course, but learning this information. So it's set up as a video training course just like this. So you can actually see here that it's actually just set up. Dr. Chris is going to be on the screen. She's going to be giving you the information. You can change the volume. You can expand the screen if you want. Also right here, you can progress through. We're going to be able to see. You'll be able to see. We're going to put some. You'll be able to see. We're going to put some information to help guide you through this. We put visuals. And additionally, you're also going to get the manual that comes with this. So if you like to have a written manual to help follow through, we have this with you as well. So each of the courses, this is module 1. This is going to be unit 1, and we'll see here that we have both of the sections right here. So you just watch this course, and then you move to the next one. Come down, select finish, next unit. So you just press play. And then the course is going to begin.
This type of whole body vibration plate is recommended for patients who desire performance-based results such as increased strength, postural correction results, an increase in bone density to prevent osteoporosis, and an improvement in balance and stability. This will be the most common type of whole body vibration plate for postural correction clinics.
So you can see how easy this is to follow. You just watch the video, you take the information, you follow along with the manual, and you get all the information. You can immediately immediately implement this into your practice. So again, you just come down, you select completed, and go to next unit. Now let's take a look at module 4. Let's just take a quick look at how we're gonna get into this in module 4. This is actually gonna be the clinical application. So we're gonna cover everything from how many hertz, how long you're gonna do it, how patients set up, when they're the resting periods, the active periods, etc. And so you can see it just like this.
Maximum of 10 minutes. So the first exercise we're gonna demonstrate is gonna be the plank. So with this, the patient will perform a plank. They'll be on their elbows and feet, and we want to make sure that we have a neutral spine or a flat back. That's important when performing.
So this is an example. We're going to go through each of the different exercises for each of the different protocols, how to do it, how to analyze it, and then how to make sure you get the results from it. So this is a look inside the course, exactly how it's going to be, so you've seen and you know what to expect and what you're going to get. This covers every single thing you need to know about vibration therapy. Now let's take a look at actually some of the bonuses you're going to get with enrollment into this course. So the first bonus we're going to give you is the vibration therapy analysis intake form. This is really important. We make sure that you have the tools you need to be effective in implementing the protocols and the therapies that we teach you. This is important to keep track of the results you get, as well as what therapy, what type of classification you used with that patient. So we're going to make sure you have everything you need for the intake form. We're also going to give you patient educational handout that you can give to your patients so they're informed and they're educated about how and why whole body vibration therapy is important and beneficial. So that backs up your recommendations to the patient, as well as makes you look more professional. We're going to give you the entire manual of vibration therapy. This has all the protocols in them. This has all of the research, the references, and you can follow unit by unit, section by section through the course. So if you're one of those kind of people who learn better by reading and seeing as compared to just hearing, or maybe you don't like videos as much, we're going to provide you with this learning tool as well. We're also going to give you the clinical analysis chart, which helps you go through with the patients when you have them in your office or when you're doing the exam, a quick cheat sheet almost, if you will. You can have it in your exam room, and you just refer to this so you can know instantly and quickly which classification and what exam you're going to need to do for the pre and post test with that patient. And then of course we're going to give the therapy overview guide, which is also a quick reference guide, which gives you all of the different correction protocols, the different classifications, and a quick guide to what assessment there is, what frequency, and how long you're going to do it with your patient. And then of course, if you get this right now, we're including lifetime access to this course, which is you can't put a price on that, because that means you can come back and rewatch these videos anytime you want. Or if you have a specific question while you're doing this later on down the road, you can come back and refresh your memory by going to these courses. So lifetime access to this is absolutely amazing. So that's the advanced vibration therapy course. I wanted to just give you a quick sneak peek into it so you would know what to expect, how the course is set up, how you're going to be learning, and all the tools that are involved into it. We really look forward to having you in this. Our motto at API is your success is our priority. We look forward to having you in this course.